Let me show you this model number. This one, the model number is RVC 700. This model, you can see, actually this design concept is from a shack. You can see this shape is like a shack, right? And here, not like that model. Here have a LED. You can see here. I will show you later. Okay, here have 3 LED light, so you can clean at on light. Okay, so you can check the dust more details or rubbish more details. Where's the rubbish? Then you can clean there. Okay. Can you give me the color box? Okay, this is our standard color box. Also, we have actually before this live streaming, we already introduced. We have many designers. Then, if you want to change the color box, we can design for you. Okay. This model currently this model is sell very well at USA market because it's very competitive model. The section force is higher and the voltage is higher. So and also the function, the price is very competitive. So it's currently is very popular at the USA market. So if you are if your market is in the North America, I think you can buy this one. Okay. And also I will show you for this one's accessory. First, it also have extended tuber. It's very long. Okay. And also this is a tuber, another tuber, and this is a brush head. This 3-1 is our standard accessory. And if you want add another accessory like the filter I introduced before, like the filter, or you want add like a brush head, then you can tell us. Then we can add these accessories. Next, I will show you how to use it. Okay. Also, it's very important to make sure this switch on off is in the off position. Okay, before you use it. Okay. Then you connect to this this socket. Okay. Then you can see here they have a 3 LED light, right? So okay. Then I will show you to clean this table. You can see this model is clean more faster, right? Faster because the suction force and the power is higher than another model, RVC 618. Okay, and let me take off the rubbish. Okay, wait a moment. First, you need to click this button. Okay. You can see it's very easy, right? And you can put off this filter. Okay. It is very easy. And now I want to show you to clean analysis, because some guys may ask, oh, is you only clean the paper? Is that enough to clean clean more heavy matters, right? So I will show you to clean analysis the coin. 那个金币。Okay, this is a coin because this is a more heavy. So I will show you if we can section this. Okay, see the coin in this dust cup. That means it is very, sometimes your car seat have more heavy metals like the biscuit or some hair or some set. It is also can clean, because you know some kids are very, it's not easy to handle, so sometimes they may put everything to your car seat. It's really a disaster. So this higher function, this model will help you, because this function is better. Actually, it's better. Okay. And also, if you want to choose the wireless version, that means you want to clean at home. Then also we have a wireless version. But you know the wireless version, the price is a little bit higher. It's $5 higher, because they have another adapter, and this cable is different. So, and also the structure inside this vacuum cleaner is a little bit different. Good. Okay. Also, to take off the rust is also very easy. See? Okay. Also, if you need a brush, you can add the accessory. Okay? Because for this one, the standard packing don't include the brush. Okay? This model is 115 voltage, and this is the suction force. Okay, so this model is really higher suction force, and so the function is very good. Okay.